From the Sea of Cortes in the city of La Paz, we head towards the Pacific of San Juanico. This is a coveted destination for surfers because the longest waves in the world are found here. The problem was that, as you will see in the images, a hurricane had hit the area and had made the only roads to access San Juanico practically impassable. This is the problem when you travel to Baja California in September. You are in the middle of hurricane season. But this is not the only issue that you have to take into consideration if you want to reach this remote city. The other tip we give you is that when you are about half an hour away from arriving, follow the signs and not the route that Google Map gives you. The reason we say this is because Google Map gives you a shortcut that makes you cross a sand dune. This is not recommended if your vehicle is not a 4x4. If in doubt, always consult with the locals, the best way to get to your destinations. Urban legends say that in the 70s, American smugglers and surfers discovered this heavenly place to surf. The spread the news caused people to settle in the area, creating the city of San Juanico. This is considered one of the 10 best places to surf, which is why in addition to Mexicans, American immigrants also live in the area. And here, we deviated from the path because the route had been destroyed by the hurricane. We took this alternative dirt route, but the best was yet to come. We still had to cross the river, and look how we did it. Mother Nature once again showed us her fury on the infrastructure that man built on her. We finally arrived in San Juanico in the afternoon, and on one of its cliffs, we parked Tango ready to spend the night there. The next morning, Gonzalo was preparing to go surf the longest waves in the world. And there they are. They covered the entire bay of San Juanico. And at noon, the sun showed us the spectacular color of the water that the clouds had hidden from us. Now, I joined my father to surf. We hope you like this video, and we appreciate you giving us likes and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Here, we show you just a little bit of Baja California Sur, but there is much more. We look forward to seeing you at our next meeting for more trips around the world.